Snoring the same as sleep apnea?
No, it's not. You can have snoring and it will not classify as sleep apnea. You still want to understand why you're snoring, but nevertheless, you can just get a very simple home test. In fact, you can look at your risk for sleep apnea already. Go online and type in the search term stop dash bang questionnaire. Stop bang questionnaire. And again, it takes probably 2 minutes to fill out, and it will give you a risk hazard ratio of how likely is it that you have sleep apnea. And it correlates very well with an at-home sleep apnea test. So it's a good, quick proxy.